In part due to measures taken against COVID, most infants and young children born in the past 2 years were never exposed to RSV. So once those precautions were removed, of course, RSV cases have taken off.
Yeah, we did see that. And Dr. Frank McGeorge joins us with a new drug up for review by the FDA that could help prevent a repeat of the RSV crisis that we experienced this season.
Exactly, Kim and Devin. You know, we know who's at greatest risk for developing complications of RSV. It's young babies, especially those who are born prematurely. And while there is a potential vaccine in the pipeline, it is also possible to shield them with pre-made antibodies.
For months, RSV had a grip on the U.S. As cases rose, many pediatric hospitals were overwhelmed. Thankfully, new cases of RSV have fallen off from their peak late last year, but the experience has left a large question mark for managing RSV in the future, and that's where a new drug, recently submitted to the FDA for review, could have a role. The drug is called nirsevimab. It's a long-acting antibody that could prevent lower respiratory tract infections in infants. It's given as a single injection that would protect for at least 150 days, or about 5 months. So ideally, it would be given to infants in October to protect them through the highest-risk winter virus season. Newborns, born in that high-risk season, could be given the injection immediately for protection. It could also be given a second time to children up to 2 years old who remain at high risk for severe RSV disease during their second RSV season. In a statement, the companies that developed the therapy said the FDA has indicated it will work to expedite its review, and approval could happen sometime this summer, adding, "If approved, we believe nirsevimab may transform the medical community's approach to RSV prevention in infants, and we are committed to working with the FDA to support completion of the review as quickly as possible."
Now, in addition to preventing severe or serious outcomes, including death, preventing severe RSV early in life can really also prevent lung problems later in life. Now, in November, this therapy was authorized for marketing in the European Union, and additional regulatory submissions are actually underway around the world.
Okay, so I would assume that since it's being reviewed for approval, it must be effective, but do we know how effective it is?
Well, so in a recently published paper in the New England Journal of Medicine, it was actually 74% effective in preventing doctor and ER visits. However, when it comes to the ability to prevent hospitalizations, the data was actually not quite as compelling. In that case, it was about 64% effective without statistical significance. So that is something that is still going to need to be worked out, how effective it is at preventing hospitalizations.
Tells us it's a reminder of how serious this problem has been then.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Right, Doc.
Thank you, Doc.